This is a certified pre-owned 2011 Acura TL. This car has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 3.7-liter V6, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, keyless ignition, a sunroof, high-intensity headlights, an iPod-ready stereo system so you can take your music with you, commercial-free satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, big 19-inch wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: voice recognition, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, cruise control, leather seats, 12-volt power outlets, front and rear floor mats, front multi-stage airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, dual power seats, and this vehicle has less than 47,000 miles. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.